Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use data validation in Excel drop-down lists. First, select the cell or range where you want your drop-down list to appear. Next, head over to the Data tab on the Excel ribbon. You'll find a button labeled Data Validation there. Click on it, and then select Data Validation from the small menu that appears. This action will open the Data Validation Settings dialog box, which is where we'll configure our list. Once the Data Validation dialog box is open, go to the Settings tab. From the Allow drop-down menu, choose List. Now, you have two main options for your list source. You can either type your list items directly into the source box, separating each item with a comma. Or, for a more dynamic approach, click the arrow next to the source box and select a range of cells on your worksheet that contain your desired list items. To enhance user experience, navigate to the Input Message tab. Here, you can add a title and a message that will pop up when a user selects the cell, guiding them on what to enter. For error prevention, switch to the Error Alert tab. You can choose from 3 styles. Stop to strictly prevent invalid entries, Warning to alert but allow entry, or Information for a simple notification. Customize the title and error message to be clear and helpful. After configuring your list source and messages, simply click OK in the Data Validation dialog box to apply your new drop-down list to the selected cells. If you ever need to make changes or remove the validation, just select the cells again and reopen the Data Validation dialog. You can adjust any settings, or, to completely remove all validation rules from the selected range, click the Clear All button within the dialog. It's that simple to manage your lists.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.